We've almost shown them everything, just one last surprise.
I've always felt self-conscious about this side of the house. You know, the other side, you know, we put a lot of time into it and a lot of money and it looked great. But when people came over and were interested in the project, I've always really, you know, found myself making excuses about, you know, what we've got over here. So the fact that we're able to then renovate over here and getting it looking like it does, you know, it makes us feel good, and it's great that it's all matching in with the rest of the house.
So this, as entertainers, is obviously the space that we use the most. I mean, it wasn't quite right in terms of what was on the floor and just how it functioned. The ceiling was a bit sad. Michael spent about 2 weeks renovating this ceiling.
Yeah, I think this whole area took half the time that the whole renovation
it was pretty epic.
Yeah. I'm loving these tiles, or...?
Yeah, they're actually something a little bit different.
Well, they're a brick. Oh. So these are a PGH brick.
They're actually a cut brick and they feel so good under your feet. It's almost like a massage, but on a practical level, they're super slip resistant.